Welcome back everybody to our Dance at Home online series, and this is a new episode.
Today we're going to talk about the American Foxtrot. We prepared a small sequence for you. It's going to be our basic of the Foxtrot and left ad-lib. And we're going to continue developing our non-touch communication when we are dancing together but not holding each other.
So in this video, this is going to be really helpful for people who just started. Let us demonstrate you the sequence for today's video. We're going to start with our basic. First, gentlemen, prepare your left foot. Ladies, prepare your right foot. And we go forward, forward, side. Together, ad-lib, forward, back, side, together.
For the ladies, we're going to step backwards first, and we go back, back, side, together, left ad-lib, back, forward, side, together.
Let's clarify our directions first and then timing. So for the gentlemen, we're taking our first step straight forward. For the ladies, straight backwards. So left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot side, together. Left ad-lib, straight forward, a little bit diagonal back, then a side, together. With the timing, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick.
Let's try this one more time, but this time, ladies, we're going to concentrate on our directions and our timing. So directions first. We're going to go straight back, side, together. Straight backwards, straight forward, rotation, together. Now with the timing. And we go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick.
We're going to clarify our left ad-lib, how to practice it together with the distance. We're going to clarify our directions. So, gentlemen, first part is for you. We're going to start with the left ad-lib right away. So I'm taking my very first step with my left foot straight forward. Now from here, when I'm shifting my weight back on my right foot, just make sure you're going to help your lady just a little bit more by taking your step a little bit more diagonal backwards. As you can see, because I'm taking that step diagonal backwards, I'm actually opening the door, kind of showing the way for my lady which way we're going to turn. And then I finish with the side together. So let's do that one more time. So left ad-lib, starting with the left foot, and we're gonna go forward, a little bit of a turn, side, together. How to make this a little bit more easier for you, I'm going to ask you, my gentlemen, please make sure you continue looking at your lady all the time. That's how we can save and synchronize our body that we're moving together at the same time. So let's do this one more time. So I'm constantly going to look at my lady. Step forward, back. As you can see, we're turning exactly at the same time.
For my ladies, whenever it comes to any kind of rotation, when we're developing that together as a couple with my partner, I have to clearly understand that if he's opening the door for me, he shows me the way, which way to go, I have to follow and I have to do it with him. So even without touching each other, even without dancing together, holding each other, we're still moving as one unit, so it looks good. And when you actually will be trying that together in your ballroom frame, you will feel much confident. So for my ladies, we're going to demonstrate the left ad-lib one more time. And the key things to remember when we're dancing this figure, in American Foxtrot will be as so. So when my gentleman is going to step forward, I'm stepping backwards with my right foot with him. This is our first slow. Now, for the second step, which is going to be shifting my weight forward, I am going to shift my weight forward. My gentleman opens the door for me, but my step will continue going forward. Please do not go with him, because that is going to throw you off balance. So I step straight forward, but he starts opening the door for me. Now from here, I'm going to follow his body and what he's doing, his directions. I'm going to pivot slightly on my left foot to make the rotation possible, and then we close our feet together. Let's try this one more time, a little bit faster. And we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick. As you can see, even without touching each other, even without holding hands, I'm still developing the same rotation, the same amount of rotation with my partner, and I'm still developing the same directional change with the timing of my partner. So we look and feel together.
One more thing that you as a gentleman can help your lady to understand what you're trying to do right now. Just make sure that your steps on the left ad-lib figure are a little bit smaller than a normal size steps. So what I'm talking about right now, because we are changing our direction and we're changing our direction on a quarter of a turn, I'm going to try to stay in the center of that rotation. So what does that technically mean? I'm going to take my steps smaller. So normal size step forward, and now from here, when I'm taking my step back, I'm trying to step away from her weight, back, and then a side together. Even my side together step is going to be a little bit smaller. So one more time. So normal size step, diagonal back, tiny step, and close.
As for my ladies, it's very important to understand that right now, in this particular figure, my gentleman, like Dima mentioned right now, is the center of the rotation, which means that his steps are going to be smaller. On the opposite, I'm on the outside of rotation. So I'm going to make my steps slightly bigger, and I'm going to rotate my body to make this rotation possible. Just take a look one more time. And we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick. As you can see, we stayed together with the same directions, with the same timing, and we start to develop the rotation together.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you all stay safe, and we hope to see you back on the dance floor soon.